dashboard is nothing but combination of pivot table, chart, and lastly the slicer. If you know all these things, your pivot table, your dashboard is ready. Nothing much. You can add hyperlink like that. Let me just show you quickly. I have this basic data. I'm closing all files. This is final, this is basic, but I guess I have worked with it. So many sheets and other things are there. Question one, okay, additional data, okay. This is the question, this is my raw data, I'm deleting this brand. Okay, that is the extra data here. And this is I don't require. Even question one is not required. Let's see. Understand this, I have certain data. I have table, date, I have a mobile selling company. I'm selling mobile. This is the mobile value. Mobile is sales by which medium? Telemarketing, online, direct, like that. Who is a customer, banking, retail? Which is a brand? Which is a sales representative? What is a country? Okay. With all this detail, let's say my manager or my requirement is before creating any dashboard or pivot, you need to first understand the question, which information you want to say. Let's say assume I want this 4 kind of question. One is what is the total sales amount and total sales count of sales for each sales representative. So sales representative wise, I want the total sales amount. Okay. And counting also. Second question is what is total sales for branding? What is total sales amount for each brand? Third question is what is total sales amount by each customer? Industry. Okay. Industry wise, what is the total sales amount? And last question is by country wise, what is the total sales amount? I want to create a nice dashboard. See, ultimately each question will be my pivot table, right? So first I'm converting my raw data into table, control T. Oh, what happened? Yeah. Control T. I guess it is already table here. If it is not, you convert your data into Excel table. It is already table. Let me insert my first pivot table in a new worksheet. Okay. And here, let me give as a salesperson. I just need to create now chart or pivot table. Let me put salesperson wise. So let me put sales representative in row area. I require total sales value by sum. I got that. I require sales value by counting also. So instead of sum, this time I will put it by count. So I have both the value. One is very large, one is very small. So I will use the combo chart. Okay. Insert and chart, something recommended chart. Right. Let me go with the combo chart and put something in secondary axis. My one chart is done. Nice and clean. Let me put this labels or legend either at the top or bottom. It's up to me, right? And let me hide this option. When you create chart with the pivot table, this extra field will come. Let me hide all the field. So buttons are gone. Let me insert a chart title. Sales representative wise. Let me click here, control all. Sales representative report, something like that. I'm not making it beautiful so much. I'm not doing so much. Let me do some nice design that is available from here. I will just to save time, I will put this. So my one chart is ready. Let me go with my next question. Next question is what is the total sales for brand wise? Okay. Another, okay. One thing, always give this pivot table a nice name. Why you will come to know later on. Okay. So sales representative. I give this pivot table a nice name, sales representative. I'm clicking the next pivot table. Okay. This time I want brand wise total sales value and let me insert a chart. Sir, is this file available in site drive? No, it is not available, but I will put it. No worries. It is not available. I will put it. I can put insert and I can give some nice label. Let me put it the same thing brand wise. I will put in a chat file, this file also, this and prepared dashboard. Don't worry. So brand wise and hide this. You can make your chart beautiful as much you want, but just to save time, I am using this design at the moment. Okay, this is second thing. Now, next thing is, let me copy the same thing, Control C, a new worksheet, Control V. Instead of brand, let me take it by industry. Done. Let me insert chart, Alt F1. Now I will just copy this chart to apply the formatting. It is pivot chart, so no need to worry. Okay, it will not go to the page. Special is not required. And let me change this name by, what is that? It is I guess industry. Done. My second chart is done. Let me go with the row chart, or I can copy the pivot table also, the last one. Maybe do it for country, right? So let me change, instead of industry, let me put country, and let me insert chart. Let me give the same. Okay, one chart let me do, and I will copy paste others. Data labels, let me put. No need to put this vertical axis, something like that. It looks better. And the same formatting I apply to the other charts, like this, Control V, like this, Control V. Okay, done. So chart are done. Here I need to give country wise. So this is just dashboard is combination of all these things. Now my everything is ready. I will create a new sheet like dashboard. And I will start creating my dashboard here. Let me insert some nice shape. It is indicating this is my dashboard. Okay. I can write it, make it beautiful. You can do it, all those things. I'm not doing it. You can mention your dashboard. Now I will start copying my charts. So this is country wise chart. Let me change this. I want to put it vertically. So I can do that. Country, I don't want to see like this. Let me go to the design, change chart type. Maybe country, I wanted something like bar chart. Okay. So let me put it like this. So I'm copying country. I'm putting in a dashboard. Close this. Okay. So there is I just need to place it here the way I like. You can use Alter key to snap it with a cell border. If you press Alter key, the chart will be snapped with that. Let me take this chart brand wise, Control C, put somewhere where I can, Control Z, here, Control V. So this is my brand chart. Let me put it a little bit small. Okay. Let me put the next chart, industry chart, Control C, dashboard, Control V. Okay. So this is my next chart. I can put it somewhere here. You can make it beautified. Okay, you can adjust this. You can make it beautiful. Let me grab my first chart, salesperson, and I put it here. You can adjust this. I'm not spending much time, but you can adjust as per your requirement and you can make it perfect. Okay. Now there is a turn to my slicer, right? So now I can insert the slicer. I want year country wise filtering of this. I can go to my first sheet. Right now, if I try to insert slicer, I will not get year wise slicer. Date will come like this. I do not want like this. I want year wise slicer. So what I will do, I will just add analyze field list. I will just add one time date in a row. That will group the things and then I will remove it. Okay. But that will have a group things, right? Now I can have slicer year wise. Maybe date will convert into month. So two slicers I have. I can pick up those slicers, Control C, I can put in a dashboard. So this is my one slicer. You can put in multi-column and make it beautiful, right? This is just a simple things. Whatever formatting you want to give, you can give, and you can spend time just like a chart. I'm putting my second slicer. Now I want to filter this data by not only one chart. It is only changing one chart. I want to give effect on multiple chart. So I can right click slicer, give report connection. That is why I try to give multiple name of the pivot table, but I forgot for this, but you can select all the slicers at this moment. So this one now will be affect everything. See August, everything is affecting, right? Same thing I can do by year, 2019 May data, nothing much, right? Yes, if you will give little bit polishing work, it may look very neat and clean, right? Okay. So that is a slicer. Suppose you want to put a next page. There is a next page of dashboard and you can insert a shape just to navigate to that next page. Let me click which kind of shape I should keep, something like this. So if someone will click this, you want to put it to the next sheet. Suppose there is another dashboard in the next page, you can use the hyperlink here, right? And I want it to take it to the next sheet, maybe additional data. Assume that it is a dashboard. I want to take it to that sheet, A1 cell. I will click OK. So when someone will click here, it will take to that next page. So you can, dashboard is using all this functionality, create some report, but basic things you should know the pivot table, chart and slicer. Okay. Hyperlink, it's up to you. You want to use, you can use.